Okay. Mama built an epic racetrack for Sam and all the kids, but Sam wanted to see. And we have 4 cars running. Looks pretty cool, huh, Summer? They just go around and around and around. Yep, Summer's been building Legos all day. Thank you. And they're just never ending. They'll just go and go and go. Uh-oh, fix that blue one for me, please, Summer. Okay, let's see it. This is what Autumn got for Christmas. Well, come closer, Summer. I can't see it all the way over there. It's like an apartment building, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Let me see the other side. It's got a slide. Is there more to it?
This slides into a swimming pool. This is sewing. This is where they make shirts and paint it. Like that's a sewing machine right there.
Oh, cute.
And there's seats in a video game and a board game. And there's a TV and a tablet and comfy seats right here. A lamp and a phone holder. And right here there's a stage. And this is for paints and stuff. And then there's a piano.
Cute.
And now I'm building a thing that's going to go right here, and there's going to be a thing that comes down so they can spray paint right here.
Oh, yeah. Some cars are faster than others. And this little green one caught up to the blue one. There we go. Cool. Going up, up, up. Is that fun?